Hi grade 4s, welcome to your next lesson of music this term. Today we have a special piece, I'm sure you're looking at it. Jingle bells, because the time to be merry is upon us. Christmas time is coming up, so we need to learn how to play some of these Christmas themes on our instrument. So we're going to try and fly through this because we all know it, but we just need to try and get it good on our recorder. So let's start up by clapping the rhythm. So we obviously have some dotted quarter notes here. If this is my beat, it goes tum, ti. Again, tum, ti. All right, and we have a couple of those. We have a tum, ti there, and we have a tum, ti here. So let's try and read out our rhythm. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ta, 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 ah. Ta, 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 ah. Ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, ah, ah, ah. Ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ah, ta, ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, ah, 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 ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ah, ah, ah. Woo! So that's a lot of rhythm going on there. We have the full shebang. We have all the tum tis, the eighth notes, we have our whole notes, we have some half notes, we have every single note that we know. So just a very important thing, these whole notes, whenever I'm hearing people play nowadays, they always hold it for 3 beats, but that's not correct. Make sure you hold it for 4 beats. So it has to be ta, ah, 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 not ta, ah, ah. Even though it feels right, it's not right. It has to be 4 beats, okay? So let's start off by learning our notes. So let's start up with our first 2 bars. They're exactly the same and they're all B's. So we have B, 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 B. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Pretty easy. Again. Then we keep going to bar number 3. Now we have a ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, ah, ah, ah. So let's try this bar over here, bar number 3. So B, D, G, big leap there from the D to the G. So let's try that out. 1, go. G, A, all right. Tum, T. Let's try that whole bar 3. Then let's reach it on that B note. Let's go from bar 3 to bar 4. 1, go. And after such a long note, there's a breath mark here, so grab your breath before you go for the next part. So let's try the whole of bar 1. The whole of line 1. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Breath there. Then we keep going, line number 2. Now we're holding on those C notes. So C, 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 C. All right, so let's try that out. 1, go. Again. So ta, ta, tum, ti. Again. Again. Now, getting on that next note, we go C, B, 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 B. So a lot of repetition here. Like here we're just on C. Here we're just on B except for that first note. So let's try bar number 5. 1, 2. Again. Let's go from bar 5 up until bar 6. 1, 2. Let's go bar 1 up until bar 6. 3, go. And let's keep going, bar 7. We're just gonna descend and stay on that A. B, A, then climb again. B, let's try that. 1, go. Again, let's go. Then let's take it to our half notes where we have an A and D. 3, go. Again, go. Let's take it from bar 7 to bar 8. 3, go. Now let's try the whole of bar 5 up until bar 8. Go. A bit quicker. Now we keep going, just repeats right over here. The same thing. B, 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 D, G, A, B. The same thing here. B, D, G, A, B. So this part is literally the exact same up until here as this top line. So let's try and play it from bar number 9 up until 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's get from bar 9 up until this whole note. 3, go. And now we're going for our last melodic idea right over here. So we're gonna go C, 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 C. Same thing we had right here. But then, what about here? Is it the same? D, B, 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 B. It's exactly the same. So literally, we're going for the exact same thing up until here, but just from a different starting point. Boom, up until right over there, and we have a different ending. So let's take it from bar number 9 up until 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So bar number 9 up until bar 14. 3, go. And then we finish it off with our very classic ending. 2 high Ds, a C, A, G. Alright, so let's try that ending. 3, go. Again. Let's try the whole piece. I'm sure we can easily do it because from here it just repeats and then we just have our ending. So let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, and for those who are really comfortable with it, let's take it at its full speed. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, super speed right there. Now the question is, would you be able to hold this steadily as I play the harmony? Because imagine, it actually has the harmony. So let's hear how it would sound with the harmony. Alright, grade 4s, and that's how you play Jingle Bells, and that's how it sounds with the harmony. So have fun playing this one, and also try and play along as I'm playing the harmony, as I'm playing both of them together, just so you can get used to how it sounds when you're playing it and someone else is playing it. It's always fun to learn how to play music in a duet, especially when your friend knows both parts, okay? So I haven't shown you the harmony in this, and I won't show you the harmony in this. We're going to go straight to our next piece next week, and it's going to be a doozy. So, but also a classic Christmas piece, so we'll have fun with it as well. So practice hard, have fun, and get ready to be merry as Christmas time is coming. See you next week, grade 4s.